Hello guys, welcome to Wire Network. To configuring quality of service, QoS, or a bandwidth limiter on an Asus router helps prioritize internet traffic and allocate bandwidth to specific devices or applications. Here's a step-by-step guide to setting up bandwidth control on a Asus RT-AX53U router. Step 1. Log into the Asus router. Open a web browser and navigate to your router's web interface. Next, enter your router's admin username and password. Step 2. Navigate to QoS settings. In the router interface, go to QoS. Before enabling the bandwidth limiter, we perform an internet speed test to determine the current network speeds. Next, enable QoS to turn it on. Set the QoS type to bandwidth limiter. Next, select your target device from the target drop-down list. Next, set the download and upload bandwidth, then click Add button. Click the Apply. Next, conduct an internet speed test to verify the effectiveness of the speed limiter. Next, we will disable QoS and perform another speed test to compare the results.